Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present you a topic that is named as Prevention is Better Than Cure, and it is presented by the members of the Sri Dhanvantri Pharmacy College. I'll start with the brief introduction of the members, that is Ms. Parin Siddhat. She is the Assistant Professor of this college, Ms. Rosina Patel, Assistant Professor, Devash Gotawala, B.Pharm student, Zohib Susiwala, B.Pharm student, and Ashik Hussain, B.Pharm student. Moving on to the next slide. So, what is the biggest problem of the year 2020? Is it the future? No. Is it the education? No. Is it the politics? Partially, yes. Is it the coronavirus? Yes. So, guys, what is coronavirus? Coronavirus is the virus that is responsible for the disease named as COVID 19. The severe symptoms of this disease are high fever, 100.4 degree Fahrenheit or higher, pneumonia, kidney failure, death. The common symptoms are fever, dry cough after 2 to 7 days, mild breathing difficulties at the outset, gastrointestinal issues, diarrhea, and general body aches. It is usually transmitted through coughs and sneezing from the infected person or touching of a contaminated object, also known as fomite. Moving further, I would like to discuss the problems caused due to this disease. There are many problems caused, but one of the major problems is the lockdown implemented over all the globe in order to prevent the spreading of this disease. But this lockdown has both positive as well as negative effects on mental health and behavior of the human beings. The positive aspects includes that the people get to spend a lot of time with their family and their bond becomes stronger. They get to utilize digital platform and services, and we get a pollution-free environment due to the depleted use of vehicles and industries. Also, the people get a strong belief in Almighty. The negative aspects includes that mood swings, anxieties, depressions, and also some people face family issues. The future is at a great risk.
So now, let's think that is coronavirus easily curable or not? I think it is not easily curable. But yes, it can be prevented by taking certain precautions and measures. So, till now we have been using masks, sanitizers on the daily basis, and also we have been maintaining social distance since a very long time now. But can we do it all the time? Yes, undoubtedly. We have to follow these all precautions all the time. They have become a daily routine now. But there has to be a certain solution for it. So, for that, we have created a elixir which can increase your immunity 100 times more. An elixir is a clear, sweet flavored liquid used for medicinal purposes to be taken orally and intended to cure one illness. And also, our elixir can increase the immunity so strongly that we can prevent coronavirus by having it daily. Our formula for elixir contains cinchona bark powder extract, gallow plant powder extract, ginger juice, honey, canthil, peppermint, and turmeric. Now, let's talk briefly about each of the ingredients mentioned in our formulation. Firstly, coming to cinchona bark powder extract. Cinchona is a medicinal plant, one of several cinchona species used for the production of quinine, which is an anti-fever agent. Cinchona is used for malaria, colds, nausea, inflammation of mouth and throat, loss of appetite, etc. Now, coming on to the second ingredient, which is gallow plant powder. Gallow plant powder tends to boost immunity, treats chronic fever, improves digestion, treats diabetes, reduces stress and anxiety, fights respiratory problems, treats arthritis, reduces asthmatic symptoms. Our third ingredient is ginger juice. Ginger juice can help alleviate pain, alleviate coughing and cold. Our fourth ingredient is honey. Honey is used as a sweetening agent and also as a cough remover. Here, primarily we used honey as a preservative. Now coming on to the fifth ingredient, which is canthil. Canthil is a Ayurvedic sucking pills for sore throat, cough and cold. It is also effective for smokers' cough and also it tends to freshen our mouth. Now coming on to our and sixth ingredient, which is peppermint. It is believed to have calming effects. It is used to treat menstrual pains, diarrhea, nausea, depression related anxiety, muscle and nerve pain. The common cold and indigestion problems are also been cured by the peppermint. Now coming on to our seventh ingredient, which is turmeric. It is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidative agent. So this is the end of our presentation, and if you liked it, then do hit the like button. Thank you for your attention.